Hello everyone, I'm Tupur and welcome back on our channel MC Talent Hunt. Welcome to another video of technical learning. Today we'll be talking about AWS. What is AWS and are there any job opportunities available in AWS? So let's start with today's video. What is AWS? Before AWS, you should know about cloud computing. We have a video on cloud computing that you can check out. I'm adding a link in the description. In today's world, every organization needs a computer to do their work, and to store their work, they need space, which they can rent nowadays. That's what cloud computing is, and AWS is a cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services to help businesses of all sizes run their operations more efficiently and cost effectively. Just a mall provides infrastructure such as parking lots and security. AWS provides the underlying infrastructure, servers, and security needed to support its services. AWS is a very early player in the cloud computing services market, and as the demand for cloud-based solutions continues to grow, the job opportunities and AWS are also increasing rapidly. Let's see some jobs opportunities in AWS. First, cloud architect. Cloud architects are responsible for designing and implementing cloud-based solutions that meet business requirements. They work closely with development teams and other stakeholders to ensure that the cloud infrastructure is scalable, secure, and cost-effective. Second, cloud developers. Cloud developers are responsible for developing and maintaining cloud-based applications and services. They work with programming languages such as Java, Python, and Ruby, as well as cloud-specific technologies such as AWS Lambda, API Gateway, and S3. Third, DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers are responsible for managing the software development lifecycle from development to production. They work with development and operations team to automate and streamline the deployment process using tools like AWS Code Pipeline and AWS Code Deploy. Fourth, cloud security engineer. Cloud security engineers are responsible for ensuring the security of cloud infrastructure and applications. They work with development and operations team to identify and mitigate security risks using tools such as AWS Identity and Access Management IAM, AWS Security Hub, and AWS CloudTrail. Fifth, cloud support engineer. Cloud support engineers are responsible for providing technical support to customers who are using AWS services. They troubleshoot issues and provide guidance on best practices for using AWS services. Sixth, data engineers. Data engineers are responsible for designing and building data pipelines to enable data analytics and machine learning. They work with tools such as AWS Glue, AWS Kinesis, and AWS Athena to work, process, and analyze data. 7. Solutions architect. Solutions architects are responsible for designing and implementing solutions that meet business requirements. They work with customers to understand their needs and recommend AWS services that can help them achieve their goals. These are just a few examples of the job opportunities available in AWS. As the demand for cloud-based solutions continues to grow, there will be a need for more professionals with skills and experience in AWS. If you are interested in pursuing a career in cloud computing, AWS is a great place to start. Thank you and thanks for watching. All the best for the future.